Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change background in CapCut. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the video that you want to change the background from. So if you want to change the background of your green screen, what you're going to do is just click the overlay, double click the overlay to add the overlay. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead into click this one and then add right here. This is your basically green screen, for example, right? This is the background. Now if you want to change it, what you gotta do, you gotta swipe left, and then or swipe right, sorry, and then what you gotta do, click remove BG, and then basically click chroma key, and basically now what you gotta do, you gotta just move it to the green screen, and basically now you removed or change the background, and you can add whatever overlay right here. Let's have an example like this, right? An example, right? Case in point, and then I'm gonna make the green screen under the photo. So as you can see right here, or sorry, the opposite, right? So if I went right, let me split, go and move this part, and as you can see right here, you will see this is the background. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.